Okay, good morning and welcome to the second edition of the HSSC HR Conclave. Now, before we begin formally, and I hand it over to my host for our host for the program, Miss Joy Gupta. I would request my colleague Parul Tripathi to start with the HSSC gratitude prayer. I would just request all of you to just listen to it very carefully. And Parul, it's over to you.
Yeah. So we start with the gratitude prayer. I'm grateful for who I am. I'm grateful for what I can do. I'm grateful for the family I have. I'm grateful for the love I receive. I'm grateful for the love I give. I'm grateful for the respect I receive. I'm grateful for the respect I give. I'm grateful for the food we eat. I'm grateful to be a learner. I'm grateful to be a teacher. I'm grateful to the creator and the universe. I'm eternally grateful, grateful, grateful. Thank you all.
Thank you, Parul. We have this kind of a tradition of starting with the gratitude prayer for all our major events. Thank you so much. It is my pleasure now to hand it over to Joy Gupta, who is a wonderful HR professional herself, a fantastic associate of HSSC, and she's our host and moderator for our conclave. So let's welcome Joy Gupta.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, sir, for that wonderful introduction and giving me this opportunity to be the moderator for today's session. And a very good morning and a very warm welcome to all. Thank you for joining us for the second edition of the virtual conclave by HSSE. I am Juhi Gupta, your moderator for today's event, and I am an HR professional with almost 14 years of experience. And in my current role as a corporate trainer, I'm delighted to be associated with HSSC as Project Lead Corporate Relations. I would also like to welcome Ms. Parul Tripathi as Project Lead CHIC Program and ahead with the most prestigious section of our conclave, which are the HR recognitions. So, I'm a firm believer that HR can be considered as the heart of an organization. And being from the HR background, having had the experience of all the challenges in HR, I can now vouch that yes, HR is the heart of an organization. So, for better business success and enhanced management of the workflow, HR plays a vital role in today's growing organizations. And this conclave is a proof that all of us agree to this. So it's an honor for HSSC to recognize people from the HR fraternity for their valuable contribution to the industry. We have a few HR categories for the emerging HR leaders, and under the categories we recognize people as brainiac, engagement champion, and the high flyers depending on the different objectives. We have the torch bearers who are the mentors in the organizations and who have helped the organizations develop new processes. Then we have the thought leaders who have developed new systems and processes for the organization and helped them transform. And then the highest category in our list is the HR legends, who themselves are a living legend. So I would not say that this is a lifetime achievement award, although Hari sir was like, let's give it a lifetime achievement, but I don't think a person in HR can ever retire. So Niharika is an internationally educated psychology honors graduate with masters from the London School of Economics, certified in more than 16 psychometric tests, and creator of 3 psychometric tools with over 15 years of full experience in multiple aspects of human resource management. She has worked with Indian and international MNCs. Niharika works at top management and board level and thrives in taking on new projects and responsibilities across the human resource spectrum. She is a recipient of the Access Champions Award, an internal platform recognizing the bank's most industrious employees. Some of her valuable contributions as the lead for employee engagement at Axis Bank has been launching key platforms and programs, including the bank's employee and gender satisfaction service, the daycare center at Access House, and the cultural roadmap for financial year 16. It's a privilege to honor Ms. Niharika for her outstanding contribution in administering relevant assessments as well as developing customized instruments. So please join me in congratulating Niharika.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Wow.
Niharika, can we have you on video, please?
Yes, thank you, Juhi. Thank you for the lovely introduction. Thank you for the award to HSSC and Hari and the entire team. The HR Conclave has been amazing, and being part of HSSC for the last 4 years has been great. I'm very, through HR and through being part of HSSC, I can actually somewhat try to inspire. I would not say inspire, but try to inspire others to make a difference in HR. So thank you so much for this award. And thank you for all the good work your team is doing.
Thank you, Niharika. It's a very special association for me personally with you and your family. I think I saw Abhijit also joined us. So can we have Abhijit on camera? Abhijit is Niharika's husband, very busy man at Axis Bank, taking care of CSR. But if he is there with us, and if Abhijit, you want to share something.
Thanks. Thank you so much, Hari. Yes, I'm actually not in a very presentable state. I'm just doing some gardening work outside and listening in.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So Abhijit, how do you feel to see Niharika get an award like this? And I'm sure many more to come.
No, it's really an honor. And I think she is very good at what she does. And she's very motivated. And
Right.
I think one of her best features is not just that she's very motivated herself, but she does a great job in motivating others around her.
Absolutely.
And I'm sure you will agree with that, Hari. You and
Absolutely.
I have also met and
Absolutely.
interacted,
Yes.
you know that. So, and what she's doing, and I've seen her work with over Kai with you, you know,
Nice.
and then I know how it's the labor of love. So I personally, you know, keep pushing and hoping that, you know, we Kai sees the success that, you know, it deserves. So good luck to HSSC, to you also, and really, I'm really proud of her. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhijit. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
So, friends, we'll have many more opportunities to interact with Niharika whenever we do the KAI discussion. She's the one who's developed the survey for us, which we can administer to various organizations, and it replaces a lot of other surveys. You just do this one survey and you get everything that you want instead of doing multiple surveys. So we look forward to interacting with you and making a KAI presentation whenever we get an opportunity. Thank you, Niharika. Very proud of your work.
Yeah.
And very proud of our association. And thank you so much for being an associate of HSSC and, you know, being a part of our family. Thank you so much for that.
No, thank you for having me part of your family. Thank you so much. And
Thank you,
please
Niharika.
reach out to me for any questions regarding HR or psychometric testing. Please reach
Absolutely.
out to me. And the KAI, you know, me and Hari have developed to be able to help everybody, you know, individuals and corporates. So, you know, for further details, please reach out to both of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Niharika. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Niharika, and many congratulations. Truly deserving.